How to claim missing miles with Etihad Guest. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to claim missing miles with Etihad Guest. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to Etihad website with your PC using www.etihad.com. Once you've logged in, the home page is displayed on your screen just like I have here, and at the upper part of the screen, the right side, see options like the book option, the manage option, the experience option, destination option. You just go straight to the Etihad option, which is just before the country option. Click on the Etihad option, then you wait for the page to load. Once you're on this page, you'll be patient, just like I'm waiting here for the page to load. So you have to be patient. Now the page has loaded. We are on the Etihad page now. At the upper part of the screen, you see options like our programs, you see earn miles. Simply click on the redeem miles and wait for the page to load, since you want to claim missing miles with Etihad Guest. So once you've waited, once the page has loaded on your screen, you scroll down to the bottom of the page just like I'm doing. If you want to still look at what is on the page, you want to explore on the home page of the Etihad Guest, you can do that as well. Scroll down the page till you get to the bottom of the screen. Once you've gotten to the bottom of the screen, here where we have life is better as a guest, just at the right side of the screen, you just look thoroughly at the options that we have till you see the option claim missing miles. Here is the option claim missing miles. You click on the option claim missing miles, then you wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded, here you'll be asked, you can read the instructions on this page as well. Read the instructions to know that have knowledge about what you're doing. So at the right side of the screen, you see the option made available box, the space made available for you to input your email or your Etihad Guest number. I do not have an Etihad Guest number, so I do not have anything to put in. So for you, you should have it. Then once you've done that, input your password. Then once you've done, click on continue till you see the option claim missing miles with Etihad Guest. So once you see it, you click on it, and once you've clicked on it, your missing miles will automatically be claimed with Etihad Guest. So it's that simple. You can try it out too. So this is simply how to claim missing miles with Etihad Guest. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.